M-A-M.
I think we have reached to park.
No,
Just hold on. A car is approaching
look left
you.
and right.
Yeah.
Left.
Look left and then right.
I would left because I wasn't looking left and right.
You must look left and right.
If they let you go, you have to do this. So if they let you go in this world, if they let some cars stop
Yesterday we didn't come from that way. That was a quite different route.
there's a million there's lots of ways to go to this part.
Lots of ways.
Yes.
Okay.
Lots and lots. We went to the nearest way.
That is the nearest route.
But the you know our auntie? Nadia.
Auntie Gulshan or Nazia?
Navia. That
Yeah.
was the most closest. We went to this.
That is the closest to her house.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that?
That's a basketball court.
Basketball court.
Yeah, a basketball court.
So you people can play there,
Yeah, when the people don't know.
but you people don't want to play. So we have reached to park.
When boys get there and
Actually, people don't like to play with boys.
Yeah.
So that's why
Because they may be
someone is sitting there.
that's
People.
Can you see that? Can you see straight?
Yeah,
That is
it's
when you
so
stop a
greenery.
road. So basically, there's a new place that we'll go another day. It's another park. When her mum gets better, then we'll go. It's called Friendship Park.
Yeah. We will visit Friendship Park at some time.
Yes, it's very good. It's even bigger and has better.
Yeah, that's bigger and better.
Eastfield Park is way better because एक side just normal but the second side it has sand. Second side
These houses are very near to park.
yeah.
They can come at any time.
And over there is some grass that you can play football on.
Oh,
And
that's
like
really
cricket
nice.
I think
So we are going from that way?
Let's
Is it a proper way to reach there?
Let me tell you. Let's play here 10 minutes and then we'll play with the ball there.
All right.
Yeah, let's do that.
Someone is already playing, but that person is not playing. Oh,
Exercise. And now look at me. So basically, my favorite